Next on NehNot Yo Show, Nehat shall be interviewing Alexis, Landon, and Cruz, who believe that Robert H. Smith's idea is terrible. Now your hosts, Nehat Azia.
Hello, and welcome to NehNot Yo Show. Today we will be discussing iron seating. Is it good or bad? You will be decided by the end of this episode. Now, let's welcome our guests, Team Co-op founders and budgeters of the National Science Foundation, Alexis, Landon, and Cruz. So, we're here to discuss about Robert Smith's idea to dump iron into the ocean to increase the population of phytoplankton. So what's your opinion on that?
So basically, Robert Smith, the director of the marine biology, is a very talented scientist. However, this isn't a great idea. Honestly, to take ice cores and test their iron on CO2 levels is absurd. I understand that it will increase the population of phytoplankton by tenfold. With the information given, it does not support his hypothesis. Therefore, I believe the project will fail.
What about you, Alexis?
I agree with Jack. Robert Smith's idea is not a great one. Also, it has failed before, so the chances of it failing again is quite high. Funding this project will result in a money loss for this foundation. We cannot take those kinds of risks.
For our viewers at home, what are phytoplankton and what is the importance of iron in these organisms?
Phytoplankton, also known as microalgae, are similar to terrestrial plants in that they contain chlorophyll and require sunlight in order to live and grow.
And the importance of iron will increase the population of phytoplankton, as mentioned before, because it will also allow more organisms to undergo photosynthesis, which may solve global warming.
Well, I thank you for this information, but me, as well as the audience, still have a few questions to ask.
By all means, please ask away.
What is the ideal location for iron seating? And what are these nitrates and phosphates due to photosynthesis?
There is no ideal location. No matter where it goes, all they can do is hope for the best.
To answer your other question, though, photosynthesis produces glucose and oxygen, so it is quite significant, as that is how you get our energy.
We will now have a segment where we will read our viewers' questions that they tweeted on the show.
In order to answer these questions that we have via Twitter, the two guests will have to dance while answering these questions. As they get that set up, we would like to show you some visual aid on how phytoplankton play their role in global warming. As you can see, they need CO2 in order to perform photosynthesis, thus decreasing the CO2 levels, which means the decreasing of greenhouse gases. 4362_RealBay asks, what is global warming?
A global increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. It probably what you're talking about, global warming, real bad.
The Purple Cobra_Globojim asks, what are greenhouse gases?
Alright, a gas that contributes to the greenhouse effect by absorbing infrared, yep, that's how you say it, radiation, carbon dioxide, the chlorofluorocarbon, they are what keeps the Earth warm. However, too much of that is bad to the environment. Peace out.
Yeah! Thanks for that terrific dancing. But unfortunately, we're not quite done yet. We still have a few questions left.
Oh, darn it.
How is global warming related to greenhouse gases? And how does photosynthesis play a role in the reduction of these greenhouse gases?
Greenhouse gases affect climate change, thus creating global warming. And if these gases are dependent on CO2, just like how photosynthesis is dependent on CO2, photosynthesis would help decrease global warming.
Finally, just let the audience know why you don't support this and anything else you believe they should know.
Smith believes that with the increased population of phytoplankton, there will be more organisms to undergo photosynthesis and it will eliminate the gases.
The organisms found in the ocean that increase chlorophyll are phytoplankton. With this, they will increase in population, being more effective in changing the biological productivity.
The more recent the ice is, the more iron it contains. However, as it gets older, it contains more CO2.
Because of all of this, we believe that Smith won't be able to get the fundings that he needs for this. Obviously, because this just sounds ridiculous.
Yeah, total stupidity.
Stupid.
And that was yet another interview on NehNot Yo Show. We'll be back next week interviewing some more people. I'd like to thank Team Co-op again for being here tonight.
Thank you for having us.
Hello and welcome to the after show. After watching this interview, you have learned about global warming, photosynthesis, and how phytoplankton play a big role in it all. We now know the insane cost of a project like this, as well as how the environments in these two locations are completely different. And also, these ice cores could very well be harmful. Now it's up for you, the viewers, to decide what we should do. Should we fund the project or not fund the project? Just like these two beautiful, people. Bye.